Traditional plowing loosens soil for rice roots. Machines help prepare land efficiently. The land is now ready for rice seedlings.
Rice seeds are soaked to start germination.
Seeds are placed in special nursery soil.
Healthy soil is the foundation of strong rice plants.
Fields reach peak growth stage.
Seedlings are tied for transport. Seedlings move to prepared fields. Seedlings are carefully removed.
Every grain begins here.
Regular watering strengthens rice plants.
Seedlings begun life within days.
Leveling ensures equal water distribution. Proper soil texture supports rice growth. Rice planting begins row by row. Gentle planting ensures strong roots. Proper spacing increases yield.
Each plant is placed carefully.
Weeds compete with rice for nutrients.
Hill planting requires balance.
Teamwork speeds up planting.
Controlled water flow is essential for rice farming.
Rice fields are gently flooded before planting. Hill rice farming requires precision.
Protection keeps seedlings strong.
After weeks, seedlings are ready.
Fields turn green quickly.
Water protects young rice plants.
This marks the start of rice growth. Young plants adapt to nature. Correct spacing ensures healthy rice. Rice grows rapidly with care. Weed control improves yield.
Rain supports natural irrigation.
Natural nutrients support growth. Water levels are constantly monitored.
Plants gain strength daily.
Pests are carefully monitored.
Safe methods protect rice and nature.
Climate shapes rice development.
Multiple stems increase production.
Sunlight fuels grain formation.
Growth is monitored regularly.
Grain development begins.
Tiny grains start forming.
Rice approaches maturity.
Grains become full and heavy.
Rice is almost ready for harvest.
Fields are dried before harvest. Harvest season arrives. Harvesting begins carefully. Machines speed up threshing. Each stalk holds months of work. Rice is gathered into bundles. Harvest rests before processing. Grains are separated from stalks.
Moisture is reduced naturally. This is raw paddy rice.
Even drying prevents spoilage. Rice is ready for transport.
Paddy moves to the factory.
Rice travels from field to mill. Processing begins at the mill. Rice. Raw rice enters the system. Metal particles are eliminated. Outer husk is removed. This stage produces brown rice. Husks are separated efficiently. Unprocessed grains are recycled. Bran layers are removed. White rice starts to shine. Texture becomes smooth and clean. Impurities are removed.
Broken grains are removed.
Rice is graded by size. Defective grains are rejected. Only premium rice passes.
Proper moisture ensures shelf life.
Rice is now fully processed. Rice is measured accurately.
Packaging preserves freshness.
Each bag is clearly marked. Rice. Rice is stored safely.
Rice is prepared for delivery.
Distribution begins. Rice travels nationwide.
Rice reaches consumers.
From farm to kitchen.
Pure polished white rice. Hard work brings reward. Subscribe for more factory stories.